Where my swing traders at? Because Polygon in the house right now. Alright, so I think that Polygon is actually setting up for a nice little temporary swing trade. So I just wanted to talk about that real quick in this video here. You can see Polygon is actually up 65% on the month. It hasn't run as much as Avalanche or Solana, so I do think that there still is an opportunity here to maybe get 30% or more. And so where basically going to be the next levels? Well, I'm going to, basically pull that up on the chart here. We're going to take a look at that chart. This is the daily chart actually over the past year or so. So you can see how much it's fallen, and it has made a pretty strong run up here lately, and then it did make a pullback. So we had a very strong run up to about 96 or 7 cents there, 97.50, and then back down to 82. So we did get a good pullback as well recently. And that's why I do think that it is setting up for a nice opportunity here. So we're still bullish. I feel like right now overall the market's still bullish, and so you just hit a higher target. You got a fresh, healthy pullback, and then it's just coming back right away. So you could tell over the past day. Let's just go past day. So it dropped down to 80 something cents. 82 cents, but it's already starting to climb back up. And so you can see, it went down to 79, and since 79 it's been slowly climbing back up. That's why I believe if it does continue to climb back up, and let's go back to this chart here. So what are the levels you got to be looking at here? All right, so you just basically crossed this 84 level here, which is why we got the spike up to this level of resistance here at $1, right? And then we now have a sell-off from basically the 97 to $1 range. So you basically have two different scenarios at this point. It can start selling off from here, but that's really not even a scenario. I feel like at this point, I feel like you're going to either climb back up to $1 or 97 cents. You're going to meet resistance again, and then you might fail to overcome that. But if this thing continues to go up to $1 and then surpasses that level here, okay, where are we looking at that level? Where are we going to get our 30%? So if we're buying here today at 84 cents, how do we make 30% on our investment? We go, let's see, 10% would be 8 cents, a little bit, in between 8 or 9 cents. So do that 8 times 3, 24, let's say 27 cents. Add that on to 84. That would be $1.11, right? So that's exactly actually right at our next level of resistance or support from right here. You could take a look at that. I mean, the math is actually perfect on that. 30% from where we are right now, and that's a good level, because if you look at this here, it's basically there's nothing in between there, right? So once you go to $1, that is basically the level. I mean, you could say 107 start early, but I would say that 107 to a 111 range is your next target, and there's your 30%. There's your little 30% swing trade for the short term. That's if we remain bullish, right? And then this thing is, could stay. I mean, it could go even higher. What's the next level? If it shoots right past that, then where are we looking at? Well, if it shoots right past that level there, which was here, then we're really looking at probably 130. So we're looking at probably 130. Yeah. Then you're looking at right here. See this line here? 1, 2, 3, touches 130 a bunch of times. So that would be if we cross the 107 to 111 range, looking at 130, and that's from where we are right now, that's like a 60 something 70% gain from right here. So I did think we saw recently a very strong run on MATIC. We had a nice healthy pullback over the past couple days here. And you can see that pullback right here, and then a couple green candles since then. And if we continue this greenward action up, don't be surprised if MATIC is you know, over $1, $1.10, and then we finally get that pullback. If it shoots up to 130, that would be really nice. We see that because that's still, you gotta remember, that's you know, it could come back. I don't know what happened to my chart. My chart got all messed up, but there you go. There's the quick update. If you found value in this video, help me grow the channel by subscribing. And the only way that people are going to see this video, guys, if you hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Otherwise, YouTube will show this video to absolutely nobody. So I appreciate you guys for doing that. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.